The Greenhouse Alternative Heating Project. Today, in agriculture and everyday life, there are many problems associated with energy consumption and the powering of facilities. The problems of the constant increase in tariffs, as well as the quality and timeliness of the supply of resources, are also critical. Over the past decade, there have been large emissions of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Without major intervention in the next 2 decades, emissions will be increasing by 30 to 50%. Soon, the level of its content in the atmosphere might unbalance the entire ecology of the Earth. Humanity needs a new technology that will give a chance to restore the ecosystem and prevent a global warming catastrophe. Project Era LLC, acting under erasolar trademark, was able to find a solution to these problems. We present innovative, integrated solar energy systems. How does it work? The system concentrates the energy of the ultraviolet and infrared rays of the sun and transfers it to the heat exchanger. Then, energy is stored in the storage tank. Next, the heated water enters the energy supply system and can be delivered to any type of consumer. In addition, this solution can be applied in the oil and gas industry, for hot water supply of private and commercial facilities, for power supply of objects, as a hybrid station, and for powering small settlements. How effective is this solution? Let's look at an example. In front of you, there are 3 greenhouses with a total area of 3,000 square meters. One works on coal, the second on diesel fuel, and the third using a system of concentrated solar power. The system supplies it with hot water daily for 12 hours. As a result, coal consumption is reduced by 216 tons per year. That is more than 21 trucks with a carrying capacity of 20 tons. Just think about how much human and other resources you will need to have products grown in greenhouses on our table. Add to this the interruptions in the supply of fuel, and it becomes clear that solar energy is much more profitable. After all, the sun is an uninterrupted, renewable source. Development advantages. This system is reliable and durable. The service life of the equipment is more than 20 years. The payback is 5 to 7 years with localization of production, the possibility of assembly using scrap and recycled materials, the ability to control all working processes, pressure, voltage, thermal conductivity, energy consumption, and others. High resistance to atmospheric influences. The possibility of year-round use in all weather conditions. This energy efficiency system is 10 times superior to other devices. Complete absence of carbon dioxide emissions. Ease of use. Multifunctionality. Stability with minimal human involvement. And autonomy. Using this system will reduce the cost of using a greenhouse by $60,000 annually. For comparison, you could use this money to grow your own 3 hectares of forest and get 3,000 cubic meters of wood. The use of this equipment may reduce burden for business, which is especially important for startups, a financial threshold for those who are only thinking about starting a business, and the total cost reduction of products. Environmental benefits. Using the proposed solution, it is possible to prevent the depletion of natural reserves, saving the planet for future generations. Using the device, you can prevent the release of more than 538 tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere annually. According to the decree of the president, Uzbekistan is the only country planning to create 105 modern greenhouses on 800 hectares of land. Imagine how many greenhouses can get tremendous benefits and how much we can change our idea of a clean environment. Mass application of this solution will provide a positive effect on human health and the entire ecosystem of our planet. Obviously, the project has significant advantages over all existing methods and technologies. Moreover, not only economic and environmental, but also socially significant advantages. Earth is our home. Please keep it clean.